Creating stunning game art and visual effects involves combining artistic creativity with technical skill to bring your game world to life with vibrant colors, immersive environments, and eye-catching effects. Here are steps to help you create stunning game art and visual effects. Establish a visual style. Define a cohesive visual style for your game that reflects the tone, mood, and aesthetic you want to achieve. Consider factors such as art direction, color palette, art style, e.g., realistic, stylized, pixel art, and thematic consistency. Develop concept art, mood boards, and style guides to guide the visual development process. Master art fundamentals. Build a strong foundation in art fundamentals such as composition, color theory, lighting, perspective, and anatomy. Develop your skills in traditional art techniques as well as digital art tools and software. Practice regularly to improve your proficiency and creativity in creating game art. Create detailed environments. Design detailed and immersive environments that draw players into the game world. Use a combination of handcrafted assets, procedural generation, and level design techniques to create diverse landscapes, architecture, and settings. Pay attention to scale, proportion, and detail to create environments that feel realistic and believable. Design striking characters. Design memorable and visually striking characters that stand out and resonate with players. Develop unique personalities, designs, and silhouettes for each character, and pay attention to anatomy, proportions, and animation. Use expressive facial features, body language, and costumes to convey personality and emotion. Use high-quality textures and materials. Use high-quality textures and materials to enhance the visual fidelity and realism of your game art. Create detailed textures, shaders, and materials for objects, characters, and environments to add depth, richness, and texture to the visuals. Experiment with different texture resolutions, compression formats, and texture mapping techniques to optimize performance without sacrificing quality. Add visual effects and particles. Incorporate visual effects and particles to add depth, motion, and dynamism to your game art. Use particle systems, shaders, and post-processing effects to create effects such as explosions, fire, water, smoke, weather, and magical spells. Experiment with color, opacity, size, and velocity to achieve the desired visual impact. Optimize for performance. Optimize your game art and visual effects for performance to ensure smooth gameplay and consistent frame rates across different platforms and devices. Use techniques such as LOD, level of detail, occlusion culling, texture atlasing, and shader optimization to reduce rendering overhead and improve efficiency. Iterate and refine. Iterate on your game art and visual effects through prototyping, playtesting, and iteration. Gather feedback from players, analyze their responses, and make adjustments based on their experiences and preferences. Continuously refine and polish your art assets and effects to ensure they meet the desired level of quality and visual impact. Seek inspiration and feedback. Seek inspiration from a variety of sources, including other games, movies, art, and nature, to inspire your game art and visual effects. Study the work of other artists and developers, attend art exhibitions and conferences, and participate in online communities to stay informed and inspired. Collaborate with other artists, designers, and developers to brainstorm ideas and share feedback and insights. Stay up to date with technology. Stay up to date with the latest tools, techniques, and technologies in game art and visual effects. Experiment with new software, plugins, and rendering techniques to push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of visual fidelity and immersion. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge to stay competitive in the ever-evolving field of game development. By following these steps and incorporating creativity, technical skill, and feedback into your game art and visual effects process, you can create stunning and immersive visuals that enhance the overall experience of your game.